Good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday, December the 22nd. This is talking about YouTube pay. So I'm gonna tell you what day you get paid on YouTube. You get paid on YouTube on the 21st of each month. So if the 21st falls on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, you get paid that day. But if it falls on a Saturday, the 21st falls on a Saturday, you would get paid that Sunday, the 22nd. So say for instance, like on that Saturday in September the 21st, you didn't get paid until that Sunday, the 22nd. So this month is December. So Saturday was yesterday. You didn't get paid, you would get paid today, the 22nd. So anybody out there, you little youngsters out there, I know you're getting this YouTube money. If you took your girl out on Saturday and you try to buy this big steak dinner, it's gonna be denied. So the best thing to do is wait till Sunday and take them to church and buy them a dinner at the church. So today you can take them to church and there go, your money is there. So say for instance, like in July and April. Well, April and July, it fell on a Sunday. Sunday was the 21st. So you get paid that Monday, the 22nd. So if you look at my screen here's what it looks like. As you can see, my payments that happened on the 22nd, those were because that Saturday or Sunday, the 21st fell on a Saturday or Sunday. So you get paid the following day. All right, thanks for watching this. I'm going to go work on my food truck. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's been sitting up for about a month now, so I'm going to run some water through it and drive it around. And it's cold here in Houston. It's not too cold, but I'm going to put it back on the road here in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching my channel. And like I said, you youngsters out there thought you was going to get paid yesterday and your account went negative because you went out and bought all these steak dinners. Just take them to church Sunday. You'll get paid today, so don't worry about it. All right, have a great day. Thank you.